Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're washing the insides. We have 14 floors of insides. Doing this on a Saturday while the building's closed. We get keys that gives us unlimited access. But some of the things that you don't think about when you're bidding your window cleaning are shades and the time that it takes to open and close these. And this depends on the type of shade. So on this style here, these are the most time constraining shades that there are. So first you have to pull one string to get them to go sideways, while you pull the second string to get them to open and close. So then once you get them open, you can wash your windows. Once you get them cleaned, you'll go through that same process in reverse, obviously, to close them. We return all of our shades, our rooms, back to how they were when we got there. Just a benefit, so things are put back the same way that as we started. But taking into consideration what it takes to do the entire job of window cleaning, inside opening shades, if you're talking about 14 floors or if you're even talking about 3 floors, it takes us just as much time to open these shades as it does to clean the windows when there's only 2 windows behind it. Just a consideration when you're bidding, include all your time, what it takes to do the complete job. It's out here in Window Warriors Forum. Check us out.